Live look here over downtown Indianapolis, where we are still tracking some light rain and parts of central Indiana this afternoon as well. So Chief Meteorologist Brian Wilkes has more on his full forecast right now. Brian, you talked about it being humid. You warned us when we stepped outside today. Whew, the reality of that it feels different from when you're saying it, you know?
Yeah. And now we're changing the wind direction, so that humidity is going to tank, and we're going to import this drier, more comfortable air, and it's going to set us up for a couple of cooler nights. You know, the overnight low temperatures were running higher than maybe our average high temperatures. You're looking at 67, 68 degrees for the final days of April, and that's what we were waking up to yesterday morning. Now this morning, the front is sagging through the area, and it's slowly but surely making its way south. The temperature now has dipped to 58 in Fishers, so we're getting that cooler northwest breeze that's developed throughout the mid-morning, and just a little bit of rain still in the area. The front is passing, the drier air is moving in, a little bit of light rain is collected on our lens downtown, where it's still a low ceiling in the cloud cover, so it's still damp, and just a few sprinkles have shown up here on Live Guardian radar in Indianapolis. This is the Golf Club of Indiana early this morning. You can see how hazy and damp things have been. But look at the blacktop there. You can see it actually drying up through the course of the day. So we're bringing down some drier air, and that is setting us up for what will likely be a terrific day tomorrow and an absolutely splendid May weekend coming. This is Live Guardian radar. Things are pretty quiet, but we are detecting a few sprinkles here and there. A couple more of these showers have aligned from about Marion right into eastern portions of Hancock County. Very, very small, very, very brief, and nothing like the rain that came down last night. We had two very heavy stripes of rain, one over north central Indiana and much of south central Indiana as well. In fact, this paints the picture here with the radar estimates, and you can see these pockets of orange and red that start showing up. Very, very large area of heavy rain falling across Lawrence, Jackson, and Jennings County. We had reports out of Oolitic of about 2.5 to 3 inches of rain, but we also had a little narrow band right here go through Marion and Grant County. Kokomo at 1.8 inches of rain since midnight, a report of over 3 inches up in Marion. But you can see there's been gaps too. This is why I was telling you last night and throughout the day, it's going to be selective. It's going to range from one location to the next, and it's just that time of the year. A couple of things have happened now that we're into almost May. You typically don't get all-day rains. That is a product of the sun angle being higher in the sky and being stronger, and your rain isn't evenly distributed, or your precipitation isn't. So the temperatures aren't evenly distributed this afternoon as well, because the front is beginning to dip further and further south with time. So it's near 70 in Shelbyville, but it's only 55 degrees in Kokomo. All the numbers are trending down, but the most notable number here is the dew point. That tropical air has been wiped out. That northwest wind is blowing, and the dew point has dropped by as much as 15 degrees. Remember, that dew point was in the mid-upper 60s. That was the highest humidity we've had so far this year. We're returning back to a more seasonal feel with a northwest wind at 18 miles per hour. That's drier air coming in, and I wouldn't be surprised if we start to fight off a little bit more of this cloud cover late day and peak a little bit of sunshine. But better weather is coming our way. It's off to our west, and as the front settles south, all of this heavy rain begins to move on. You can see here over the last 24 hours where the big rains were laid up and laid down across the southern third of the state. They really picked up the heaviest totals almost area-wide, but we're not going to see much in the way of rainfall here for a few days. We bring in the drier air, which sets us up for some clearing. Also, with the lower humidity levels, will allow the overnight temperatures to take a dip as well. So by 3 o'clock in the morning, we've cleared out, but note the numbers. We're going to easily get down into the 40s. It'll be a little cool tomorrow morning out the door, and then tomorrow afternoon will turn out to be a fantastic day. A seasonal mid-60 high temperature, maybe a few clouds and sunshine. It'll be a fantastic close to the month of April, a month that will actually wind up, even despite having the record snow and cold a week ago, will wind up above average. Now, early Saturday morning, look where these temperatures are headed. Wouldn't be surprised if we do dip down into the 30s early Saturday morning, maybe a little bit of patchy frost. But watch these clouds coming in from the west. There's not many of them, but as they pass here in the afternoon hours, that sets us up for another warm-up too. That means a warm front is passing, and that's going to elevate temperatures on Saturday to near 70. And a high temperature on Sunday that will likely be in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. A big warm-up in the works coming our way. So tonight we'll drop into the 40s overnight. We'll clear things out. A beautiful end of the month of April with a high of 65. We'll shoot for 70 Saturday afternoon. It becomes windy after a frosty start in spots. It's going to be chilly Saturday morning, but we end the weekend with a high near 80 degrees. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely on Monday, and then a bigger cool off is coming middle to end of next week that will include rain showers by Wednesday and Thursday.
Brian, thank you.